what a great show we have lined up for you today. Let's see what's up first.
Let's face it, accidents happen. And when they do, it can be overwhelming trying to navigate and understand what the next steps should be. Fortunately, the personal injury attorneys at Koshkaryan Law Group are here to help.
My name is Vaughn Koshkaryan, and I'm the founding attorney of Koshkaryan Law Group. I started my firm in 2011 as a solo attorney, and now throughout the years, we have now grown to a staff of over 20, including 6 attorneys.
Costs associated with personal injuries can add up pretty quickly. And when someone else is at fault, it's always best to understand your legal options for compensation.
The areas of law that we practice primarily focus on individuals who are injured as a result of the negligence of others, such as auto accidents, slip and falls, truck accidents, also employees who are injured on the course and scope of their job. If you're driving and you're injured as a result of an auto crash, then you may have a case for personal injuries, for the injuries you sustained from that crash, including expenses of medical bills, pain and suffering. You may have also suffered lost wages and pain and suffering in the future, and medical care in the future that you may expect to get reimbursed for. Typically, when you're injured in an auto crash, you are filing a claim against the responsible party's insurance carrier. And it is throughout this insurance claims process is where we're trying to get reimbursement for all of my clients' medical expenses, including damages for pain and suffering. And if that doesn't come to fruition during the insurance claim stage, then at that point we have to make a decision to file a lawsuit against the responsible party. Anytime you're injured in an auto crash, you should definitely secure the services of a personal injury attorney, because the insurance company is not on your side. Whether it's your insurance or the other party's insurance, you definitely need somebody on your side to protect you and your rights.
So what are some of the most common concerns that people have after they've been in an accident?
Depending on the extent of your injuries, you may have a personal injury case. And depending on the extent of your injuries, you may need the services of an attorney to help you recover your damages. During the insurance claim stage, if your case settles during this stage, typically it takes anywhere between 6 to 8 months. And if we have to litigate the case, it may take a little longer, somewhere between a year to 2 years. And in the very rare circumstances where we have to go to trial, it may take a little longer, such as 2 to 3 years. The misconception of hiring a personal injury attorney is that it's expensive, but it's really not. Our attorney's fees is based on a contingency fee. What that means is we don't recover our fees unless we get results for our clients. That puts us in a unique relationship with our clients. We're on the same team. If we don't get results, we don't get paid. In the unfortunate circumstance, if we lose a case, our client is not responsible for our attorney's fees. And it is this unique relationship that strives us to do well for our client and to get the best possible outcome, because again, we're in the same team and we have one common goal.
There are a ton of personal injury attorneys in Southern California. How can I be sure that I'm hiring the right firm for my case?
You definitely want to do your own research before you hire a personal injury attorney to represent you. Who is this attorney? What is their team about? Who's going to represent me for my case? Am I going to have access to the attorney? Are they going to have a one-size-fits-all approach, or are they going to uniquely cater their strategy to my case? There are a lot of great PI attorneys out there. However, some of these big firms have a one-size-fits-all approach, and oftentimes clients feel like they're just another number and it's an assembly-like system. The advantages of hiring a boutique law firm such as my firm is we have a very tailored, unique approach to each case, and no one case is similar, and we approach each case uniquely to our clients' needs and their strategy.
So if you have questions regarding a personal injury case, contact Koshkaryan Law Group for a free consultation.
If you are injured, do not go about it alone. At the end of the day, this is David versus Goliath. The consumer is always David, and of course Goliath is the insurance carrier. So please make sure you hire a competent attorney to represent you and guide you and get you the help that you need.
For more information about Koshkaryan Law Group, visit their website at koshlaw.com. And of course, visit our website at thebalancingAct.com.